Hello everybody, I am Michael, a native Arabic speaker from Egypt. Today we are going to learn the Egyptian dialect Arabic. As you know, dialect Arabic is the spoken accent. We use it in our daily life, in streets, but we don't write it. To learn more about dialect and standard Arabic, look at the description of this video and you will find a useful link. In this video, you are going to learn many things. First, you will learn many useful words. Second, you will learn how to use these words in conversations. Then you will listen to a slow conversation. And finally, the conversation will be spoken naturally. The first word is ازيك عامل ايه ازيك عامل ايه which means how are you. You can just say ازيك which also means how are you. Remember, I don't write Arabic characters because dialect Arabic is the spoken accent, but standard Arabic is the written accent. The second word is كويس, which means I am fine or I am alright. You can say كويس وانت, I am fine and you. The next word is الحمد لله الحمد لله which means thanks God or I am fine. اسمك ايه اسمك ايه what is your name. اسمي Michael, my name is Michael. The word ده means this or that. It is a masculine word. And the word دي means also this or that, but it is a feminine word. بكام ده means how much is it. بكام ده بكام ده. You can just say بكام. ايه ده means what is this. ايه ده ايه ده. الساعة كام الساعة كام means what time is it. لو سمحت means please or excuse me. لو سمحت for example لو سمحت الساعة كام or الساعة كام لو سمحت means excuse me what time is it. شكرا means thanks. شكرا. Oh, the funniest word is أيوة أيوة which means yes or okay. I don't know why some people laugh when I tell them that أيوة means yes. أنا means I. أعيش means live. أعيش في means in. أنا أعيش في مصر. I live in Egypt. أنا أعيش في أمريكا. I live in America. أنا أعيش في لندن. I live in London. أنا من means I am from. أنا من مصر. I am from Egypt. بكرة means tomorrow. امبارح means yesterday. النهاردة means today. بكرة امبارح النهاردة. عاوز means I need or I want. عاوز. استنى means wait. استنى wait. استنى شوية wait for a while or wait for a short period of time. استنى شوية. عشان means because. عشان اللي it is a relative pronoun. It means which, that, where, who. You will use it a lot. بص means look. بص. You can use it to get someone's attention. بس means only. بس. Now we are going to listen to a slow dialect conversation. لو سمحت الساعة كام. لو سمحت الساعة كام. الساعة 1. انت منين. الساعة 1. انت منين؟ انا من امريكا. انا من امريكا. اسمك ايه؟ اسمك ايه؟ انا مايكل. وانت؟ انا مايكل. وانت؟ اسمي مارك. ايه ده؟ ده كشري. ده كشري. You know, كشري is a name of Egyptian food. بكام؟ بكام؟ ده ب4 جنيه. ده ب4 جنيه. جنيه is the currency of Egypt. شكرا. Now we are going to listen to the same conversation naturally spoken. لو سمحت الساعة كام؟ الساعة 1. انت منين؟ انا من امريكا. اسمك ايه؟ انا مايكل. وانت؟ اسمي مارك. ايه ده؟ ده كشري. بكام؟ ده ب4 جنيه. شكرا. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.